Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to the notification gang. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Thank you. In today's video, this is a follow-up video from the last video we did on insecurities. This video is on self-love. So this is a follow-up. So in the last video that I did, you guys may have heard me talk about my insecurities. Some of them I grew into them, some of them I got over them, some of them I'm still dealing with, or I manage in a sense. So I wanted to talk about self-love today. Insecurities, no insecurities, whatever the situation may be, self-love is very important. It's the foundation of confidence. It's the foundation of your brand, as in by brand I mean who you are as a person, how you represent yourself, how you think of yourself, how you view yourself, and also how other people view you. So with that being said, I just wanted to have a bit of a discussion with you guys about loving yourself. Self-love. What is self-love? Self-love is loving yourself, pretty much, and you do that in various ways. I spoke about it before in the sense that self-love is acknowledging your insecurities and loving those insecurities, or dealing with those insecurities. That's self-love. Self-love is also, I guess we'll go number 2. We've jumped straight in. Number 2, self-love is also investing in yourself. Whether that be your education, whether that be your clothing, whether that be your belongings, whether that be whatever it may be, investing in yourself. That's self-love. You love yourself, so you go and you buy that skincare product that you've been wanting to buy. You love yourself, so you buy that coat that you've been wanting to buy. You love yourself, so you've gone and purchased that course that you wanted to do for baking. You love yourself, so you've gone and invested in that camera that you want so that you can begin your YouTube channel. You love yourself, so you have invested in those shoes that you wanted to buy so that you can begin running and training so that you can lose or gain weight. When you invest in yourself, it means that you view yourself to high enough regard where you say, you know what, I am an amazing human being, and when I do this test, I'm going to do it really well and I'm going to blitz it. So it's worth me paying $600 to do this test. You know what? I love baking. I think I can do an amazing job baking and start my baking business. So I'm going to pay that $1,000 so that I can go and do that baking course. Those are other ways that you can love yourself, that you can show yourself love, by investing in yourself. We sometimes spend a lot of money on other things, bills, all that kind of stuff, and we forget ourselves. So number 2, investing in yourself. Number 3, time. Having time with yourself is very important. It's a form of self-love. Not only does it help your mental health, it helps build your character and who you are as a person, and it also gives you a break. Time for yourself is really important. For myself, the way that I like to spend time with myself is having bubble baths. I love a good bubble bath. I love to have a bubble bath and watch a movie, or watch a TV series, or watch a YouTube video, some YouTube videos that I really enjoy, or read my Bible. Just that downtime, that time that you've separated for yourself and said, you know what, this hour here, I'm going to spend it in the tub watching Real Housewives of Atlanta. Or, you know what, this time here, I'm going to spend it baking bread. And that's a form of self-love as well. Time for yourself. Time to be with yourself and do what you like to do without other people, without someone else there, just you and yourself enjoying your company. It's very healthy to do things by yourself. Sometimes it builds independence. Number 4 is self-encouragement. Self-encouragement. Encourage yourself. Learn to be your biggest supporter, not your biggest critic. We have a tendency as human to be our biggest critic. Tatenda, you should have done it this way. You shouldn't have said that. You should have said this. You should have done this. You shouldn't have worn that. You shouldn't have done this. You shouldn't have done this. Learn to turn around and say, oh my God, Tatenda, you slayed that. That video was bomb. That hairstyle was bomb. Tatenda, you look good today. Tatenda, your hair is so fluffy. It's the fluffiest cloud I've ever seen in my life. Be your biggest encouragement. Learn to encourage yourself. Learn to speak positive about yourself. It helps you, it boosts your ego, and it also means that you don't rely on someone else, so that if people around you, if you put all this effort into pulling out this slay outfit and no one says anything to you when you go to the event, you already know in your head, you already gave yourself all the encouragement you need driving there. Before you even got there, when you saw yourself in the mirror, you gave yourself all the encouragement you need, that when you already get to wherever you're getting, that's just a little cherry on top, because you're already full. The Sunday is already there. Encouraging yourself is very, very important. It's a form of self-love. In order to encourage someone, you need to love them. You don't go around encouraging people that you don't care about. You don't go around saying, oh, you did an amazing job, to people you don't care about. No, you have to have something in you. You have to have a bit of a heart for that person in order for you to actually give them time and say, you know what, you did an amazing job here. Self-encouragement. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Those are my top tips for self-love, just the basics of self-love. That you can unpack all of those tips and dive deeper into them, but I just wanted to share a few of them with you guys. Comment down below what you think your top tips for self-love are, or how you show yourself that you love yourself. What do you do for yourself to show that you love yourself? Comment down below. And like the video if you like the video. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video anytime it's posted. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next week.